inspiration, integrity, devolution, determination, patriotism. For God's sake, remember the God. For God's sake, remember the God. All where innocent soul like Noor Muqaddam is looked after being shocked because you do not matter. Is this the self-determination or injustice sacrifice for us when water beam our illegal ration water from the sea and no one can hear the cry of those hungry children because evil drives when the God do nothing. My Lord, forgive me. Forgive me for today, the truth of our corrupt nation and affect many egos today. Forgive me for today, our last question that hurt your blissful slumbers frawl internally. Evil which pleasing my ears, I will surround you. Evil is the new master of Islam which was once ruled by peace. Devoured blood, shrieks dead, founds and flesh, my kingdom was the last cause of the world. Once and alive. Now, I rather a piece of land who was resourced and made for a section by after the cage. By who? By those who injured us, our agony filtered. By those who are unkind. By those who are unblood. By those who are standing between you and me. But look amongst you. Is this the service of your work guide for you? Is this the self-determination or injustice sacrifice for us when water beam our illegal ration water from the sea and no one can hear the cry of those hungry children because evil drives when the God do nothing. East and West is free, but Kashmir is not. Freedom is under the custody of you and all, but instead violence moderates. I cannot get justice from judiciary. I cannot believe in merit, in deeds. Evil drives when the gods do nothing. But remember, it's you who let your message stage forward you. Isn't obvious? You make all of them your friend, but for them you do not matter. When a journalist tries to show thoughts reality, he's your dead, which makes us sting. Is it really smart? Just sit after bank and let evil prevail. Welcome to this world of evil, where your individuality does not matter, but your life means a lot. Welcome to this world of evil, where innocent soul like Noor Muqaddam is looked after being shocked because you do not matter. Welcome to this world of evil, where criminals can breathe freely after killing 2 people because you do not matter. My Lord, evil can take every one of us. And in the face of bad, abusive, corrupt, and non-ego. Evil, it needs someone to run the engine of its car. It needs someone's blood. But congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, that someone is asked. So for those who forgot their past glory, remember the God. Those who forgot the lesson of self-determination, remember the God. Those who forgot the lesson of inspiration, integrity, devolution, determination, patriotism, for God's sake, remember the God. For God's sake, remember the God. My Lord, time has come to wake up, and the time has come to stand up. It is not motive anymore. Let us all walk towards glory. Let us all walk towards glory. Thank you very much.